It's the showing up that matters. Here we go. Step, arms up. We are going to build some amazing strength today in our 10-minute low impact workout. Sometimes I forget what we're doing here. We can build strength, mobility, endurance, flexibility, so much more in a 10-minute workout if we keep stacking them up day after day. But really the purpose here is to boost our mood and elevate our energy every single day. Let's do exactly that. Movement should be a joy. It should be fun. There we go. Endorphins engaged. Feel it in the shoulders here. Hard work should be fun. We know what we're working towards. Why are you here? Know the why. And then the doing of it becomes so much easier. I know why I'm here. That's it. I want to smile. I want to be happy. And I know when I move my body, I'm so much happier. I have more patience. I make better food choices. I sleep better. I feel better about myself. I treat those I love with more patience. The list goes on and on. Let's go. Oh, all right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, can you feel that? Let's go for a little walk. Lots of walking. Go for an evening walk tonight. Get out and walk more. Walking is our superpower. I really enjoyed the last 28-day at-home walking challenge. I want to make sure we can incorporate and bring walking into these workouts as well. Barefoot today again. Functional fitness. Real natural movements. You slow it down whenever you need to. Of course, modify every workout, every exercise to suit your needs. Okay. Hamstring, curl. Arm, curl. If you got light weights, this would be a great time to use those. 1 pound, 1 kilo. Absolutely. But just body weight stuff is brilliant as well. These workouts, just so that we can move through our day with more ease, a little bit stronger, a little more self-confidence, head up high. Yeah. Keep moving through the entire 10 minutes today. If you need a break, just go to a nice, slow, easy walk. It's the movement, any movement that matters. And then bring a little more of that more movement into your day. Yeah. All right. Let's shake that out. Let's go laterally. I'm going to come down. I'm going to touch the floor. Maybe you touch your ankle or your knee or your hip. Wherever you're at, it's perfect. Just stretch down 1 more millimeter each time. The smallest of changes will create powerful transformations in time. Maybe you just, this is good for me. It's all I need today. Hallelujah. You're moving your body. Brilliant. Let's just go a couple more. Back 1 more time. Yes. Okay. Nice and easy. Slow walk. Breathe. Swing the arms. Walking builds incredible strength. If you can find a hill or two, that's resistance training. Amazing. You know, they can chart people, longest lived people in the world, go by neighborhoods, people that live in hilly areas, and they live just that extra little bit longer. All they do is they get out and walk every day, normal daily activities, natural movement. Just find ways to move naturally that you love. And if you can find a hill or two, happy days. Okay, step jack with pace for me today. I want to move. I want to groove. Always lots of cardio stuff, no matter what I'm going to do. For me, I certainly know that boosts my mood and elevates my energy exponentially. Every day I cycle to work, I just feel way happier than if I was to drive or take the bus. No matter what the weather is, just natural movement to feel alive. It's that connection to nature also. If you can get outside, by all means, turn the video off, go outside. As much as I want you here, I want you to be the healthiest, happy self you can. So get out into nature as much as possible. Okay, slow it down. Ooh. Shake it out. All right. We're going to mix it up a bit today. Sit down and up. As natural movement as we can get. This might be difficult for some. I'm going to come on the different side. Look at that. That's even harder. Just a few. Sit. And up. Okinawa, Japan is one of the blue zone's longest lived people in the world. And one of the reasons is they sit on the floor and then they get up and off the floor 80, 100 times a day. Think of the core strength from just this act. Get to the ground once in a while. Every evening, maybe just sit on the floor just for a few minutes. And get up. Look at the mobility, strength that is required of this move. One more. Let's walk. A little silly, yes. But just think, change it up. Natural movement, getting up and off the floor. We could start to do that with greater ease. There's a quality of life movement. I can get up and down off the floor, play with the kids, grandkids, etc. Okay. Ready? Really high up with the march. This is more similar. Yeah. But moving laterally back in all different ways. If you're just whatever your area is, move around it freely. Be wild and free. Whew. Balance, strength, mobility. Oh, yes. Positive outlook. Best exercise ever, no matter what's happening. You get to choose. Today's the best day ever. No matter what happens, if you decide it is. Okay, last one. Ooh, I can really feel that in the hips. Ooh. Let's just bounce around a bit. We're building strength. Okay, if you can't get to the floor, go to the wall, hold the wall plank, but I'm coming down. And I'm just going to hold this upward push-up position. These isometric exercises are amazing. Talk about lowering blood pressure, but this is building incredible strength in the arms, in the shoulders. Core stability and strength. Backs of the legs. Just hold it for a minute. And there's so many variations. You could shoulder tap. You can come down to the elbows. We just keep it here. Always throw a push-up or two in. That's up to you, but just hold. Just for another moment. I like elbow to knee too. Great on the lower back. Sometimes just holding this throughout your day. Let's come up. Take 10, 15 seconds throughout your day sometime. Just hold that position and move a bit. Whew. Amazing strength building exercise. Whew. We're just walking here, swinging the arms. We're building strength. Well, we're going for it today. Nice, gentle Squat pulse. The squat may be the best exercise for building strength. I always say there's no best exercise. The exercise you're doing is the best, the one you will do. But just the simple bodyweight squat is amazing. Building strength in our legs so that stairs become no problem. Going for long walks. Yeah, I got that. We can do that with enjoyment and pleasure. Ooh, a couple more. Shake it out. Let's just finish. Coming up on my tippy toes. Different muscles in the feet getting used, barefoot, connecting to the earth. And shake those arms. Finish with giving yourself a nice hug. Just this movement throughout the day, building strength in the shoulders, mobility upper back, strength all over. Let's just have a mindful moment together. Just be. Oh, just take all that in. Absorb everything you've done. Just notice where there's tingling sensations in the body. And just be. Maybe you can feel them tingling in the hands, the arms. Just notice with awe. Wow. Shake it out. We did it again. Well done. You continue to show up for yourself. It matters so much that we are here together. Thank you. I feel amazing. Remember to comment, showed up. We're just showing up this week, and then we'll get the job done as we move forward for 28 days. See you tomorrow.